Dr. Robert Stein here, back with the Body Mechanic series. Today we're going to talk about manipulation. I know that a lot of people have this fear about getting their neck adjusted or their back adjusted. They're afraid of all the different side effects, even though that doesn't really occur. So there's different ways to treat a patient that you don't need a manipulation. First of all, there's patients that are young that shouldn't be adjusted by hand by manipulation. Sometimes people have blockage of the arteries or signs and symptoms of stroke or heart attack that should be contraindicated to manipulation. And some people just really don't want to have it. They're completely scared to death of it. There's alternatives. One alternative is I have this chiropractic biophysics instrument, and what it does, it's electrical. And you can move the bone or move the posture using a force that goes into the spine. Doesn't hurt. There's different degrees of tension to use this instrument. You can put it directly on the spot. I have a single probe, or you can use a double probe, which is great for the neck and the upper thoracic area. And this is what I use on my disc herniation patients in the cervical spine. I do not manipulate any type of disc signs and symptoms in the cervical or lumbar spine. I only use instrumentation to help correct the posture, take the pressure off the disc, and put it on the facets. Another thing is, if someone has just a little pinched nerve going on from a vertebra being out of place, I use the single probe on my instrument. It goes in. I can get really specific with this instrument, and it pushes the bone specifically in the right direction. Also, there's another chiropractic instrument called an activator. It changes tension. It gives a lower force. And you can get really easy. You can use it on this kid. You can use this on adults. You can use it on older people that are very fragile. It's a very low force instrument that I use, and it really will help solve the problem of fixing the pinched nerves. So if you're really scared of manipulation, you can get the result without using the hands. You can also use the guns. If you have any questions, check out my website. You can read about my instruments. Dr. Stein out from the Body Mechanic series. Thank you.